Hi y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a little do-it-yourself at-home project, specifically how to update, say, a door on a kitchen cabinet or any type of cabinet that you have. We specifically have doors on a cabinet in our living room that I have been wanting to update for forever, and I'm finally getting around to it. And then I'm also going to show you how to distress mirrors. So in our living room, we have this beautiful cabinet that goes around our TV, but there are these doors in the middle that have the lattices in them. I'm going to replace those and put a mirror in them that has been distressed. I'm so excited to show you guys how to do it and let you see how it turned out. So let's get started. Here is the entertainment center in our living room. What I'm hoping to do is replace these, I don't even know what they're called, lattice, I guess, in the cabinet doors. So I'm going to try to just pop these out, and we are going to put a mirror in. I don't know if I'm going to distress it yet, but let's get started. Okay, y'all, now I'm going to show you. I have the lattice removed from the cabinets. So all it was secured in with just little nails that were bent over. I don't know if y'all can see that. Now I'm going to remove this lattice from this door, and I had thought that I was just going to do the plain mirrors and put them in without distressing them, but I think it's going to look better distressed. And I just got these at our local glass store. Places that put in showers can probably cut them, and I asked for mirrors and gave them the dimensions that I needed, but now we're gonna go and distress these mirrors. It is now time to distress the mirrors, and we are out in our sunroom because you need to be in a well-ventilated area where you can open the doors, windows, or go outside. I've got the mirrors face down on just a tarp that I don't care about, and what we are going to do is we are going to spray the back of it with this premium paint epoxy remover, and it says it only takes 15 minutes. We're going to wipe that down, remove that backing on the back of the mirror, and then we're going to put just a tiny bit of muriatic acid on there and wipe it off. And then I'm going to mix this Rustoleum metallic champagne mist with the antique pewter. And then always just make sure you have some type of respirator for the paint remover when you're spraying it in the muriatic acid, and then some of these nitrile gloves is what you're gonna need. Oh, and then a paint scraper for the back. Let's rock and roll. The JASCO paint and epoxy remover has been sprayed on it. It's supposed to set for 15 minutes. So we're gonna let it sit there and see if we can remove the backing from the mirror. I have let this paint remover set for about 2 hours, and it's still really hard to remove this paint backing. So I sprayed a little bit more. I'm going to let it set for about another hour. And what I may do, I may not remove all of the backing just because I do want some of the mirror still to show through. So I may leave some of the paint backing on it and then do the muriatic acid. I have done a couple layers of the paint remover, and this is all I'm going to take off. I could probably take all of it off if I did it overnight, but I do want the rustic look, and I still want the mirror to show through, so that is all I'm going to take off. It took about 5 hours of the paint remover, but now we're going to go in with the muriatic acid. I have sprayed the muriatic acid, and now I'm just going to leave it on there for 20 to 30 minutes until you can start to see through the mirror. Just sprayed the muriatic acid. I had gloves on. I used a spray bottle. Just be very careful with this stuff. Also use a respirator. You can get those right here from Lowe's, the nitrile gloves. It is very dangerous stuff, so be very careful. Now I'm going to blot it off with just a regular paper towel or a washcloth, and I would throw all this stuff away that you're using with this acid. It's just very dangerous. Okay, I've done this one and wiped away the muriatic acid, and watch. When you wipe, you can start to see through the mirror, and it just becomes glass again. So you just want to wipe that. I left that for about 30 minutes. I have now gone in with the spray paint, and I've already done this one here, and I just went in first with this Rustoleum Universal Antique Pewter. color. And then over the back of that, I went in with this, another Rustoleum Champagne Mist Metallic. This next one, and you just lightly spray over the whole back side. Cabinet doors are finished. The mirrors are put in. I put on new knob handles right here, and then I put like a little wreath, decorated it. I think it looks good. I don't know though. I might change it back to just a regular mirror. I don't know if this rustic thing is my look, or maybe I should have taken all of the mirror off. I'm not sure. The cabinet doors in the living room are done. You guys are probably gonna laugh. I might be kind of boring, but I decided that I would like just the plain mirrors better than that antique mirror. And it may have looked better if I had taken all of the glass off and then sprayed it with the pewter paint, but I like this better. I think it looks really good. Love it. I made those little wreaths to put on it. It updates our entertainment center so much more. I hope you guys enjoyed this little project, and I hope it's easy for you to do at home. If you have any questions, please let me know. And I have listed all the products below of what I use. So if you're interested in using anything that I use, you can check that out. Thank you guys again for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.